Dear students, in this section we will see introduction to embedded system. So an embedded system can be defined as a computing device that does a specific focused job. Examples are air conditioner, PCD player or DVD player, printer, fax machine, mobile phone. So these are the examples of the embedded system. So each of these applications or appliances will have a processor as well as it is having a special hardware that will meet all these requirements, okay, and as well as it is having a embedded software that have to be executed by that processor. So that embedded software is called as the firmware. Embedded software, which whatever the software that is embedded in the system, it is called as the firmware, okay. So as we know, the desktop or the laptop computer is a general purpose computer. So we can use it for a variety of application. By using the laptop and the desktop computer, we can play a game, we can type our document in the Word, we can prepare a sheet, we can develop the software on the, we can listen a music on the desktop as well as laptop computer, okay. But in contrast, the software in the embedded system is fixed. So embedded system can be characterized by the features like embedded system do a very specific task, okay. It will do a very specific task and they cannot be programmed to do the different things. Embedded system have very limited resources like memory. Generally they do not have the secondary storage devices. They are having a limited resource in the input as well as output devices, okay. Next is embedded system have to work against the some deadlines, means embedded system have to work in the specific time on the specific time. Embedded system are constrained for power. So as and many embedded system operate through a battery, the power consumption has to be very low. Next, embedded system need to be highly reliable, as we can press alt control delete in your desktop system, but it is very hard or it is not affordable to reset the embedded system. And embedded system have to operate in the extreme environmental conditions such as high temperature, pressure and humidity, okay. Next is the definition of embedded system. So there are various definition according to the authors. By using by Weinwohl, the definition is what is an embedded computer system. Loosely defined, it is any device that includes a programmable computer but is not itself intended to a general purpose computer, okay. By Todd and Martin, the definition is embedded system are electronic system that contain a microprocessor or microcontroller, but we do not think as of a computers, the computer hidden in an embedded system. By David Simon, people use the term embedded system to mean any computer system hidden in any of these products, okay. Next, by the Raj Kamal, the author of Embedded System Architecture, Programming and Design. An embedded system is a system that has embedded software, computer hardware, which makes it a system dedicated for an applications or for performing a part of that an application. So according to this, the final definition is an embedded system is a system that has embedded software, computer hardware or any mechanical parts which makes it a system dedicated for an application or which is dedicated for a specific part of an application. So this is the definition. In the next section we will see architecture of an embedded system. So thank you.